Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a newscasting background on CapCut PC. Select like a video of you newscasting or somebody else, remove background and select chroma key, and you're just going to select the green area. Adjust the intensity and maybe add in some shadows back on it. Not too much though. You can feather the edge and clean it up a little bit if you have Pro. For the background, you can go to background, or you can kind of search like news casting or just news, and then a bunch will pop up and you're just going to add it behind the video. Maybe like type in like weather forecast or something, I don't know. Okay, weather news. I don't. Well, maybe like this one. Or probably like this one, and like add like a news underneath that. Maybe. Oh my god, hold on. I need to... There we go. And then I'll type in like weather, like snowing. I don't know. I keep saying I don't know. Okay, select this and then go to remove background, and we'll need to remove the green area again on this one. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.